decided to start a side gig to make extra money online, but you have no clue where to even get started, or worse, you're burnt out and exhausted before you even bring in any cash. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 ways to get started with your side gig that will actually make you money online. Hi, I'm Lauren Gold. I'm here with a new episode of Free Mama TV, showing moms like you how to start and run a successful freelancing business from home. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new episode of Free Mama TV right here each and every Tuesday. You're all about the side hustle. You want that extra cash and you are ready to go for it. So you're building a website, working on your logo, daydreaming in your brand board, and stop. I love me some good branding as much as the next digital marketer, but none of these things will inherently help you get your business off the ground or get clients. In fact, I call this hiding behind your business, and I've helped thousands of women push through their imposter syndrome, perfectionism, and fear of failure to get out of their own way and into the business of making money. Here's how we get started in just 5 steps. Step number 1 is know your process. You're going to feel way more confident when you have an interaction with someone who is considering buying from you or hiring you as a client if you have a plan in place. So know how you want to accomplish this before you actually get into a professional conversation with someone. For example, in the Free Mama community, I teach a 6-step process to take somebody from a lead to a paying client. It's finding the lead or prospecting, having a call to action or invitation to connect with me, a discovery call where we figure out if we're a good fit and qualify each other, the proposal, a follow-up and a thank you, and then moving them to a contract, which will ensure that I get paid. By knowing my process, I look professional because I can clearly communicate to the person I'm talking to what comes next if we want to work together. What happens is it actually eliminates the need for them to ask me a bunch of questions about my qualifications because I already look like an in-charge business owner who knows what I'm doing simply by walking them through these steps in the order that I've established them in my own business. Step number 2, optimize your social media profiles. Here's a harsh reality for you. Your social media is for business. Yep, if you're trying to make money online, it needs to be optimized for your business and not only for personal use. Now, of course, you can mix the two because it's a blurry line. There's not just like, I'm mom Lauren and I'm business owner Lauren. I'm just Lauren and I happen to be a mom and a business owner. But the reality is, if you're not showing up online as a business owner, you're missing out on a ton of opportunities. The networking and positioning that we're going to talk about in later steps isn't going to mean anything if when they come back to you, they can't tell what you're doing in the first place. Check out my episode of Free Mama TV all about optimizing your social media profile to make sure you hit all of the key points. Are you using social media for business or pleasure? Tell me in the comments below. And remember, if you're trying to make money online and you're only using it for personal use, you are missing countless opportunities to connect with people and be taken seriously as the side gig maven you are. Step number 3, get visible where your ideal clients hang out. Pick a handful of places where your ideal clients are already congregated. It could be a blog, a Facebook group, Instagram, a particular networking event in your town, but get in front of these people and get seen in these areas. Make sure you're not just pitching. Nobody likes to be sold to, but it is important that they know what you do in case they are a prospective client or they're connected to people that they could refer to you. Answer questions, share stories, especially if you've already had some experience in your business where you can share them as testimonial stories or as case studies of what you've been able to do for other people. Telling these things as stories rather than just bragging or talking about yourself are a great way to build trust with your ideal clients. Here's your pro tip. When marketing yourself online, it's okay to be polarizing. If you post stuff that gets a lot of traction, that means the platform is going to put it in front of even more people. And those people will be clicking on your name on social media where they are going to be able to learn all about your new online biz through your optimized profile. Step number 4, and this one takes place not so much on the internet, not so much in real life even, but actually between your ears. Tip number 4 is to shift your focus. If you've been in business for more than a day, you know that mindset is a huge deal. Here's one shift I teach people to make so that they can start attracting clients instead of scaring them away. Focus on growing your network, not on getting clients. Yep, it's that simple. Make a goal each day to connect with a certain number of people, not to sell them something. Just have a conversation, and if anything, see how you can help them out for free. Do you know someone that they should know? By taking the time to learn about them, their interests, and their struggles, they're going to know, like, and trust you a lot faster and not see you as somebody selling to them, but as somebody who is marketing a valuable service. I also say show up like you're already fully booked. You're not going to be acting out of desperation. You're going to be more authentic and willing to come from a place of service. My fifth and final tip that is going to help you get started at making money online today is don't give up too soon. Create a way to remember to follow up with people. One of the things I see so many women in the Free Mama community struggle with is that they're giving up on their prospective clients. They're having conversations online. Maybe they're even meeting on a call, and then they don't hear from them for a couple weeks, and they just assume the worst and they move on. But you should never give up on someone until you hear a yes or a no. You don't know what's happening in their world, and just because they're not ready to pull the trigger and work with you today doesn't mean they won't be a month from now. So use your calendar, use your email systems to set reminders in place to continue to network and build relationship. And remember, follow up until you hear a yes or a no. Now that you know my 5 ways to get started making extra money online, what's your next step? The truth is the demand for legitimate virtual work is on the rise. So if you're looking for freelancing work you can do from home, but you're not sure what you can specialize in, I have something for you. My 70 skills checklist will help you discover exactly what business owners are desperate to pay you to do. Grab this free checklist and figure out what you can do to get paid using the link below. Also, if you want to join a community of mamas just like you, I have a Facebook group where thousands of mamas come together for support and action-taking tips and motivation. And as always, if you liked this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your fellow mamas. And comment below with hashtag I am a free mama if you're ready to make extra money online. Woohoo, we made it! God, my hair looks bad. I actually curled it this morning. This is how I know what I'm trying to say. Based web, I shouldn't even say that. Whatever. Where was I? I started making extra money. And for literal, oh my gosh, I cannot read. That's pretty bad. Whatever.